Welcome back to another video. So today we're getting our windscreen repaired, which you would have seen in the first video on this car, on the BMW 1 Series. They were a little bit sneaky who we bought it off. So when we bought the car, sun strip on the windscreen was down here, really low down, and we couldn't understand why. And then when I brought it back up, we noticed a little crack, which is this one, just here. So they were a little bit sneaky with it, but we are going to be getting that repaired today by the windscreen doctors at Trago. They're based in Newton Abbot. As you can see, it's not too bad, but it is getting worse. So we are going to go get that repaired today on the 1 Series. So come along with us to see how a professional would fix this properly. So let's go. So this is it from the inside of the car. You can't even feel it on the inside, which is a good sign. So it's only on the outside, so it should just be a pretty easy fix. That is what we're going to be fixing today. I'm going to go Trago where they go on the weekends and through the weekdays and just get it fixed. So it's better than changing a whole windscreen. Well, it isn't, and it is. It saves you a lot of money. I'll tell you how much it will cost at the end, but if you have windscreen cover in the UK on car insurance, it will be free. So keep that in mind. Check if you've got windscreen cover and you'll get it fixed for free. If you don't, I think it starts around 60, but I'll let you know how much it costs for us in the end. That is what we're going to be replacing. You can feel the sharp edge on the outside where it's been hit.
So unfortunately the guy wouldn't let us film, so I found a video on TikTok, so shout out to carpolishing_ for letting me use this video. So this is basically what they're doing. Basically the first bit you see isn't what we actually done. Ours just broke by a stone chip. It's showing you how to do it. So you drill the first bit and then you put this suction cup thing on top with this little bit that seems to go down. I don't really know what that does. Then you put this like resin stuff down, I think it's resin, and then you put this little bit of clear tape on top. Then you put a heater on top so it makes it dry, so it's more solid, so it's not liquid anymore. And then once that's done, you scratch it off with a Stanley blade, and then you put some polish on top, which is car glass polish. Polish it up, wipe it away and buff it, and that is basically it. That is how you do it. So we are now back after getting the screen fixed. The guy didn't want to be on camera, which is understandable as it is different, but you can slightly see the crack, but the outside you can't really see it at all, so that is a bonus. At least it's not going to get any worse from this. That's what it's looking like. I'll give you a proper look in a minute, but it doesn't look bad at all. It looks like you just put your hand on the screen basically and made it dirty, but it is polished up and all done, so it is going to be more effective now than it was before with regards to it cracking anymore, like going over speed bumps or hitting a pothole. It's not going to crack or split anymore. So if you were to clean it and put pressure on, it would have completely split. So it's a good job we did get it done whilst we did. I couldn't obviously record the process because they didn't want to be on camera, which is understandable. A lot of people don't, so unfortunately I won't be able to show you any of it getting done. I did show a little clip of the tools they used, but that's about it really. And the total cost was £60. As you can see, that's where the chip was on the windscreen. That is how much it cost to repair. This is the outside. You literally can't even really see it. It's meant to be where Cody's hand is. So it's pretty much gone, but inside you can see. And this is the inside. You can see it better in person. It is still there, but on camera you can literally not even see it, which is really decent. But you can slightly at an angle, but at least it's pretty much gone now, which is a bonus. This is also his card as well, for anyone wondering. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.